Speak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Pesona Inspira. Welcome back to I Can Speak. As Pesona Inspira already know, every Monday we're gonna learn together about English speaking. And Pesona Inspira also can join with us, so don't be shy and just share about your thought. Because we're gonna talking about for 2 hours, if I'm not wrong. So for today's episode, of course, I'm not alone. I'm already accompanied by 3 special guests. Yeah. Because today I'm not gonna be with Valia, so our guest is gonna be 3. So without any further ado, let's get to know them. So please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you, Mas Iqbal. Everyone, my name is Arvin Setiawan from New English Club.
Oh, so you're from English Club? Which school?
SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo.
SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo. Oh, I think this is the first time the guest is coming from SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's
Nice to
know
meet you.
another guest star. Who's gonna go first?
Okay, I think I'm gonna go first. So, hello everyone. I am Diane Nikmo Ifaki. You can call me Viva, and I am a member of Neo English Club from SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo.
Okay, yeah. So the last one.
Hello everyone, I'm Karissa Faustin Ulinoha and I'm also the member of Neo English Club from SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo.
Okay, so there are 1 teacher and 2 students who already coming for Radio Pesona. Who you guys feel? You guys feel nervous, excited, worried, or afraid to talking about something?
Kinda.
I know a little bit. It's my first time doing podcast.
This is your first
Yeah.
time?
Yeah.
Okay, how about our Mr. Arvin? Is this your first time also?
Of course, it's not my first, but I'm still nervous right now.
Especially, you're a teacher in here.
yeah.
You need to show them the right way to do it.
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm still nervous right now. Seriously, to be honest, seriously.
Okay. So, I think we already prepared about our special topic for today's episode. So, what are we going to talking about?
Okay, today we're gonna talk about
FOMO.
FOMO.
Yes.
FOMO stands for what? FOMO.
Fear of missing out.
Oh, fear of missing out. I love this kind of topic because I'm ever feeling that in a FOMO phases. Jadi kayak merasa bahwa kayaknya setiap orang di Indonesia ada masa-masanya mereka itu ngerasain FOMO
Ya,
juga.
ya.
Buat Pesona Inspira yang penasaran buat topik kita hari ini, jangan kemana-mana karena kita bakal menemani sampai dengan jam 2 siang nanti dengan topiknya itu tentang FOMO, Fear of Missing Out. Bisa join di nomor WhatsApp Radio Pesona ada di 0823 2383 9996. And we're going to be right back after this commercial break, so don't go anywhere. Keep stay tuned in 92.1 FM Pesona Radio, your best information station.
To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak.
Okay, welcome back to I Can Speak, and we're still talking about fear of missing out, but we're not talking about that yet. So actually, what the meaning of FOMO? We still don't know yet about the definition about FOMO. Can you please give us some information about FOMO?
Okay, the definition of FOMO is
FOMO is
Fear
fear
of
of missing
missing
out.
out.
So it's a worried feeling that you may miss out something that other people are doing, especially that you see on social media.
Okay, so actually, people who did FOMO, they're looking for their social media, especially for other people, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it negative or positive things?
Depends.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, in my opinion, sometimes we need to be FOMO, right?
Yeah, but if it's in a good way, that's okay.
Is it in a good way? Is there any example of FOMO in a bad way or in maybe negative way?
Well, wait. What is the relation between FOMO and also something happening like trending topics?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Yeah, I mean, trending topic is like what we're talking, right? And FOMO is like we wanted to join like we wanted to talk about this too,
yeah.
but we don't really know the topic, so we pretend that we
just
know the
jump
topic.
out to
Sometimes we don't really just talking about it, but we also want to experience it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because fear.
Yeah,
fear of missing
fear of missing
out.
Yeah.
fear
Such
of
a
missing
nice.
the trend that happened.
Okay,
in the
maybe
social media.
from the word fear of missing out, there are some feeling that if we're not joining the trend, if we're not joining the things that viral
Yeah.
nowadays, we're gonna left behind.
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
something
we're not
like-
going to
Okay.
be considered cool.
Oh yeah, I want to look cool,
Oh,
of
yeah.
course. But nowadays, what the trending topic, especially you guys are teenager, what the trending in your generation right now?
I think
It's running and hiking.
yeah.
Oh, is
Wait,
it
wait, what?
popular right now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
many of our friends were like posting their photos when
Okay.
they're hiking or running, like joining the long run event.
Yes. Every time like I open social media, there's
Yeah.
always people like running and hiking.
Oh,
their
so it's,
photo
it's
with-
become
Everyone
the
is
new
going to
habit.
the-
Yeah.
Oh.
Do they run in the real way?
Yeah, or just they pretend to run and then they post it in the social media or something like that.
And
I
that
don't even know.
yeah, because we just saw what we saw in social media, right?
Yeah, we don't
Ah.
know.
We don't
like,
really know what's
Okay.
really happening.
They just suddenly post they're
Oh.
running and hiking.
Have you ever just asked them, are you really joining the marathon or the running or the hiking, or just post it in the beginning of the event or in the end of the event and they just go home after that? Something like that. Have you ever asked your friends?
Well, they're just gonna be like buat seru-seruan aja.
Oh iya, iya, ya udah lah ya. Yang penting mah buat stok sosial media Instagram
Yeah.
ada gitu.
And that's happened also in my age. I mean, like my friend of mine, friend of my friend, and also many people. You know,
A friend of your friend is gonna be outside of your circle.
also my circle. You know, everyone now is an athlete in my age, in any sport like running. Also, it's a running, bicycling, and also like what maybe gym. They
Oh,
they
yeah.
just go to the
Yeah.
gym.
Gym.
But actually they normal person like us.
Yeah. It's also happened in my generation.
So we're from three different
People
generations.
suddenly have a gym member when
Yeah,
they're
that's it.
actually never using it. They only go to gym once in a week. When I ask them why you go gym only once in a week, I mean it's not gonna be impactful when you
Yeah.
just go gym in once in a week. I said I need just do some picture with a different shirt. Jadi kayak dalam seminggu itu harus datang ke gym sekali, tapi fotonya berkali-kali dengan baju yang beda gitu, biar dikira ke gymnya berkali-kali. It's happened a lot in my
Seriously?
generation. Yeah,
Seriously?
I mean it.
They
Yeah.
just go to gym to take a picture with
Yeah.
different
Oh my
outfits. Oh my god.
And one of my friends of mine who which is they're a woman, they're joining like something like Pilates, Ponfit,
yeah.
Zumba,
Oh, yeah,
Zumba.
Come on.
Yeah. People notice doing it. Have you ever
Hello, my
considered
wife.
to join like Ponfit, something like that?
Maybe not in this age.
But I think in my age and also my wife's age. Hello, my wife.
So your wife did it too?
I'm a rude. No.
No offense.
No. Okay. Okay. If we're talking about fear of missing out, it's also depend on the generation, maybe,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
or
that's
depend
it.
on what's happening on social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also the circle.
Ah, right. The circle. Unfortunately, my circle don't do gym, so we never talk about gym.
Okay.
What your circle talking about right now?
I think we're talking about because it's exam session.
Oh, yeah,
right?
exam.
So
You-
we're always talking about like, kamu ini udah belajar belum? Kamu yang ini udah belajar belum?
Tapi hati-hati, yang biasanya aku,
Almost every
aduh
day.
nggak belajar nih, nah itu jebakan.
Terus tiba-tiba nanti 100.
Itu jebakan.
Actually, when I was like supervising the test.
Oh yeah.
Like everyone who's watching like in their phone or cheating or something, actually we know it.
Oke.
Seriously, but this is up to you, or it depends. Like you cheating, it's up to the teacher.
Ah ya.
Seriously.
Are they going to ask?
Oh, are they going to ask?
Yeah.
Okay.
So how lucky you are if you are do the test in very good way, without cheating. I'm proud of you.
Okay. I mean, before you become a teacher, you already become a student. And as student,
Yeah.
come on, we already know the sign.
Yeah.
We already know their little movement. They're gonna feel like insecure. They're confused about the things they want to do, something like that. Kayak gerak-geriknya udah kebaca banget gak sih sebenarnya?
And the teacher know it.
Oh yeah, and the teacher actually know it.
Yeah, I spilled the tea.
Spelled it. They just the decision of the teacher.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it
thank you.
depends.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Whether they want to let it or they just wanna strict with the
Yeah.
rule, something like that.
So after this, every teacher gonna hate me.
I'm not joining with this. Saya angkat tangan. Oke.
Garis.
Kalau ngomongin soal FOMO, kalau belakangan ini yang lagi hits di sosial media selain about gym, atlet gitu ya. Tapi kalau ngomongin soal atlet, maybe nowadays we're talking about Indonesian,
Yeah.
which is I know all of the people gonna talking about this. It's about Timnas Indonesia,
Yes.
Indonesian squad.
Football nation.
Have you ever followed their social media?
Yes, I
You did.
am.
No.
Which one did you follow?
Nathan.
Nathan Strick.
No.
Nathan Chu.
John.
Oh, I'm a bit confused. How to say his name in a right way?
Nathan.
Actually,
Nathan?
Nathan.
I mean,
Jowon.
Oh, Jowon.
Joan.
I think that's the right way. I don't.
I don't
really
know.
but-
In our perspective,
Yeah.
maybe.
Let's ask Nathan then.
Nathan.
Yeah,
then.
let's just say Nathan.
And how about you? You follow one of them?
No.
No,
I'm
you're not?
interested in football and like the
I mean,
players.
in your age, they're gonna look handsome. As long as they look handsome, you're gonna follow them right away.
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay,
At
so
least in my circle. we don't
oh, so only you who follow one of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in my family, me and my mom, we're really into football.
Okay.
But before lately, me and my mom sempat udah nggak ngikutin lagi.
Oh ya, kayak udah agak off gitu ya.
And then lately we're just like, oh my god, there's so many new players. And we're just
I know you. It's not only about new player. It's also about something else.
yeah.
When talking about football, I don't have TV, so
You don't have to be. No, I don't believe
seriously-
you.
Seriously, I don't have a TV to
Me
watch
too.
the
I don't
football.
watch football in TV. I watch
From
it
YouTube.
in my, yeah.
Yeah,
About
yeah,
the highlight.
from the
Yeah.
internet.
Yeah, from the internet.
Yeah, but you only watch the highlight.
Yeah, sometimes because it's better we watch the highlight.
Why? I mean,
You're not
it's
really
it's.
into football.
I like football as the supporter.
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
Supporter for our team.
Our nation.
No, I mean, seriously. There are many things happen with Timnas, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I believe that it's not about the Timnas itself, but something happened behind it. Sorry, but this is how old man thinking about something too deep, maybe. But
Okay, maybe.
yeah,
It's okay. Maybe I'm also old, so I'm gonna join.
No,
me.
I'm older. Yeah, something happened. It's not about Timnas and there is something behind it, like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
political things and so on.
Yeah, I mean, when we're talking about football in Indonesia, it's not only just sport,
That's
right?
it.
There's something else.
Something else behind it.
Okay.
Always. do that.
Oh, for young generation, it's gonna be so confusing.
Yeah.
I'm only into sport, and because they're handsome. Okay.
Too serious about this?
No.
Nah.
Sometimes we need to be that serious.
Yeah.
So, okay, what you know about Indonesia Timnas?
Lately I follow it again from AFC.
Oh, AFC.
U23 and
U23.
because many of our family we follow it again, so in the family gather we talk about it too, and sometimes we watch the tournament together from not in the television but
Through the internet streaming. Oh, okay.
and maybe not only me but my friends in my class
Okay.
they also follow the players because
Because we know what.
yeah
That happens
you know
every year. That happens every year.
Yeah.
Since Irfan Bahdim.
Irfan
Yeah.
Bahdim,
It happens every
betul.
year. Every time we there's something about football and that happened.
Okay, the euphoria gonna
The
be super
euphoria.
duper up,
Yeah.
and then when maybe they fail to achieve the goal, the euphoria gonna be calm down, something like that. It's happened every time.
Friends.
So because one of your friends actually not into football, what you're doing when all of your friends talking about football, talking about this Nathan, which is she's following it on social media, what you're doing, or are you just gonna listen to them?
Yeah, I'm just gonna listen to them and like, oh
Oh.
yeah, you know.
Oh, bola.
Yeah.
Oh, bola.
Because I don't understand a single thing about football actually.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
You know, just let them talk.
Let them talk. Have you ever tried to ask them about football and maybe try to watch it?
No.
No, you
Come
know.
on,
Sometimes
seriously?
it just appear on my like FYP.
Oh,
you know?
yeah,
Yeah,
betul.
but it's just the highlight and you know the comments we can predict it.
Oh. So you're not trying to influence her to come on, you need to like football. Cause
No.
come on, look at him. He look gorgeous, something like
I
that.
think like it's up to her. It is. It's her.
It's her decision, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. since we're also not really, I'm not really into football also, but last match Indonesia with which one? Iraq, right?
Iraq.
Yeah.
No. Guinea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the last match with Guinea, I'm not watching it because somehow I have a feeling we're gonna fail. So I decided to not watching it.
Me too, me
Yeah,
too.
I decided to not watching it. And the two previous match, even though I'm not liking it, I need to work. Jadi saya harus bekerja dan pekerjaan saya adalah menonton pertandingan sepak bola ya kebetulan hari itu. Ya, jadi so whether I like it or not, I need to watch it. I need to search about the player, about this Nathan, about the streak, and then Rizky Ridho or something like that. I don't even know them at first. At first, I don't even know them, who they are, what they're doing, which position are they playing, and then suddenly I know because I need to attend nobar, nonton bareng. Jadi kayaknya oh ternyata tahu pun nggak masalah gitu loh, malah jadi nambah pengetahuan. Jadi apakah kamu masih tidak tertarik?
But the best thing about football is nobody, you know.
Yeah.
Seriously. Like we did last time in Pendopo.
Iya.
Yeah. It's very
It's like
interesting.
like when we have something different and we put it together and we became one to support our national team.
Even you know, there's it's in a football supporter, someone named Capo. Even they or he or she, sometimes it's a he never watched the match because he turned into the supporter, like not watching the match, but
Okay.
turn into the supporter
Oh yeah.
as the leader.
As the leader supporter, even though.
Yeah,
Even though.
you know, because the best thing about football is like the stadium, in the podium, the best thing.
Yeah, I mean, like somehow when
The
I
euphoria.
watch a football match, I'm also curious about. I mean, the stadium it's so huge,
Uh-huh.
right? And when you sit in the corner of the stadium, have you ever considered to watch it? The people playing
Yeah,
in the
that's
field,
it.
kayak emang kelihatan ya kalau kita duduk di pojok gitu kan? Apalagi kan manusianya kan kecil-kecil. Kayak aku bertanya-tanya sih sebenarnya gitu.
Just because they sing together.
Yeah, they're singing together,
that's the best thing.
they're screaming together, and they support the same
Support the
team.
same team.
The euphoria. Of
The
like,
euphoria
I love
and
it.
the atmosphere. Seriously, it's a
atmosphere.
good thing.
Suddenly become understand why I don't like football because hard to saying it in a real match.
Yeah.
Karena kan fieldnya gede gitu kan. But
Yeah.
have you ever considered it to watch it in a real field, not through the television?
For me itself, I really, I think
Ligos.
Ligos. Kalau Ligos biasanya wajib ya.
I prefer to watch it from internet or television because we're not like in the stadium. We're
Yeah, yeah.
watching live, and we're
And also maybe it's too dangerous for a girl. It's too
yeah.
dangerous for a girl.
I mean, the crowded,
Yeah,
it's
it's
crazy.
too crowded.
The crowded is crazy.
Lately, there's a lot of girls who watch
Yeah.
football
Yeah.
from like the stadium.
Uh-uh.
Mhm.
they don't really into the football. They're just into the
Even
players.
girls don't understand about offside, right?
Yeah.
They don't understand about offside.
Sorry, I don't even understand it. Why,
Seriously?
why the
Come
ball
on.
is become offside? Why will the people?
Yeah.
I mean, kenapa itu menjadi tendangan pojok bukan tendangan dari samping? I don't even understand that. Sorry
If you
to
just
say
want
it.
to know that the girls really understand about football, just ask her about offside. You know offside? Oh, look at that. That's offside, offside. And the girl know nothing about offside. Apa sih? Offside.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah. So you don't know the meaning of offside and something like that.
Me itself, I don't really
Get
into to the
To
like
the rule, something like that.
istilah
Yeah,
ya di situ,
betul.
but I enjoy the competition itself, like gregetnya gitu.
Oh, gregetnya.
Kayak sebagai warga Indonesia tuh kayak nontonnya kayak oh my god, national timnya kita lagi
Nah.
main, kita lawan
Oh.
negara sini, terus kita kayak gregetnya dapet gitu.
Okay.
like what I say, supporting it. The best
Yeah,
thing. Supporting it, like singing together. It's the euphoria.
The euphoria.
As the supporter,
Yeah.
the best thing.
So you joined the euphoria. Even I mean, come on, we're talking about that all the time when Timnas Indonesia playing to bring our name into the international league. You're not even watching it, just even once
No.
at all.
No,
Come
no.
on.
At all.
No. I'm fine with it because there's many people like me also who don't watch football, so I'm fine with being an outsider. There's a lot of people who for an outsider too.
So you're looking for an outsider just like you
Yeah.
to talk about something else.
Yeah.
When all of your friends
Something
talking,
else.
that's a nice way to avoiding. I mean, we all know that not all of the FOMO is in a good way.
Yeah.
Maybe we
Yeah.
just need to find someone else just like us to like something in common.
Yeah.
Kalau misalnya ada FOMO yang negatif, tinggal kita cari orang-orang yang nggak suka sama
Nggak
hal
ada
FOMO
juga,
itu kan.
ya.
Ih, itu keren juga deh ternyata. Ada hal yang bisa dilakukan untuk menghindarin FOMO yang kayaknya bukan gue banget gitu ya.
Paling kayak
Have your own standard of
Yeah.
fun.
Oke,
Oh,
oke.
that's nice.
Oke.
jadi gak ikut-ikutan dengan kayak
Yeah.
kok kayak rumput tetangga lebih hijau
Wih,
dan kita harus gini nih.
rumput tetangga nih guys.
Enggak dong, urusin aja rumput lu sendiri.
Okay. It's so amazing talking about Indonesian football because there's a lot of things that we can talk about, and maybe there's a lot of reason why someone like mungkin suatu topik ya ada alasannya. Mungkin suka hal yang sama tapi alasan sukanya
Yeah.
beda-beda.
Yeah.
Emang ada orang yang into sport, ada orang yang butuh untuk social media, ada yang suka how they look like, gitu ya. Emang beda-beda.
Valid. Iya kan?
Dan kita bakalan ngomongin soal FOMO lainnya, jadi jangan kemana-mana, tetap di Radio Pesona, still with I Can Speak.
To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak.
Oke, Pesona Inspira still with I Can Speak, and before this we're still with Fear of Missing Out. And before this commercial break, we already talking about Timnas Indonesia, di mana lagi banyak digandrungi sama anak-anak muda, alhamdulillah, terutama kaum muda-mudi ya, yang cewek-cewek ya, bukan kaum kita berarti ya Pak ya.
Kaum mudi berarti.
Mudi.
Hello daddy jokes, come on.
Okay. Beside about Indonesian football team, what you guys considering maybe goes viral in your generation? Ada hal lain apa lagi nih yang lagi viral
My
di
generation or them?
their generation?
Ah, okay.
I'm more curious about their
Okay,
generation.
Okay, so the things that has been happening lately
Okay.
is FOMO of boycotting K-pop idol.
Oh, boycotting K-pop idol.
Yeah.
Which one?
There's a lot
A
actually.
lot
yeah.
actually. Wah,
If you're saying just one
No.
K-pop group,
oh, it's gonna be like boom. Okay.
We're not targeting.
Okay,
this one.
we're gonna talk about a lot of K-pop
Yeah,
group have
yeah,
been
in general.
Okay,
Yeah.
have been boycott. Why they become being boycott and something like that?
So there's
they're
I mean-
collaborating
Yeah,
with
okay.
product
Oh.
that affiliated with
Yeah.
Israel.
Ah, I see.
Okay.
And
So it's Blackpink, right?
I'm
Oh,
not gonna
can,
talk.
can I say about the brand?
Jarang mereka
No.
udah
We-
semua Pak.
You
Udah
can
beda
talk
generasi.
about the boy band or the girl band, but we can talking about the brand.
Yeah.
Nggak boleh sebut merek.
I say about Blackpink, right? I don't know about K-pop, but I know some about Blackpink.
Oh, you know one or two thing about Blackpink.
Of
Siapa aja membernya Pak?
Rose, Jennie, and
Lina.
I don't know. I don't know, Rose and Jennie. You know, I don't understand about their style. Nah, I'm too old for this.
Okay. Since we're talking about boycotting an idol group because they're collaborating with some brand who pro with Israel, yeah. What is is it the right thing to do in your opinion?
Wait.
Is it? Karena mereka kolaborasi sama brand, mending nggak usah dengerin lagu-lagu mereka lagi deh,
Yeah,
gitu.
it's a good thing, but you know the whole point of boycotting is to show our support to Palestine, right? But people seems to not get the point, you know.
I see.
They seem like they don't even care about the genocide that's been happening. They care more about like how their life is affected by the boycott, like life after boycott. You know, like I'm so sad because I can't listen to music anymore. You know, like I can't stream my favorite idols.
It's not like life after boycott, but more like life after breakup with my idols.
They're acting like they're break-upping with their
It
idols.
sounds like their connection with their idol it's become cut off. Jadi sebenarnya supportnya itu adalah menunjukkan bahwa kita juga concern akan genocide and all of the things. Bukan berarti we put every single effort of us to hate the idol, to hate the song. It's not the right way, right?
That's not the point of it.
Can I say something about the idol?
Wah.
Okay, the idol is basically a product of.
That's
It's
right.
a product, right?
An entertain product.
Yeah, entertain product. They try to export it, and we import it. For what?
Why? I mean, you guys like K-pop, right? Yeah.
For indicators.
Why? At first, the first question is why you like K-pop. I mean, like a lot of Indonesian have a good song.
Yeah.
A lot of Indonesian artists have a good performance, something like that. Why you like K-pop? Maybe it's just in general.
I'm going to admit, I actually like K-pop because FOMO.
Oh, at first.
But it's my thing, so.
Okay.
For me, I already followed K-pop since aku dari SD deh kayaknya.
SD. Wah, dia SD kita umur berapa ya, Pak?
I don't know. I don't want to say, but maybe I don't know. But I'm trying to
Calculate it.
Yeah, about the K-pop and something. But I don't get it seriously about the K-pop and so on. Because try to be normal.
Okay.
Like an older generation, they don't understand more about K-pop and so on. But so far as I know that it's a kind of product. It's all about economy things. Why? Yeah, seriously. They try to exporting their product as the entertainment and so on, like the brand they got, like.
I got the point. I mean, even though we're not talking about an idol, if we're talking about the product, we have
that's it.
our own bias.
Yeah.
That's
Some of us like a local product.
Yeah,
some
that's
of us like an international product who
Yeah.
come from another country who have a different kind ingredient that we don't have it. Right? Yeah.
That's it.
Jadi-
Just because they wearing it, and some of teenager they want to be like them, like their K-pop idol, right?
Okay. So the first things that you like K-pop is because of FOMO.
Yeah.
We can talk about this because of that's mean you one of the FOMO product. Kamu adalah hasil sukses dari produk FOMO yang mencintai K-pop sampai
That's it.
sekarang. Gitu
The
kan.
customer,
The customer.
Contoh langsung gitu.
loyal customer.
I actually like K-pop because of my sister and my cousins. You
Oh.
know, they're a big fan of K-pop, and I like K-pop since 2016.
2016.
Yeah,
Okay.
so since I was 8.
Seriously?
Oh my god.
Wait.
2016 you're 8?
Yeah.
So you're starting dancing like K-pop since you elementary school?
Yes.
So you also like the way
Oh,
their
no.
dances or something like that?
Yeah. I watched the MV at first, you know.
Okay.
I only watched the MV, and then I start, you know, like kepo sama idolnya. And
They're
then-
not real.
That,
What?
I'm not done talking about this. I'm kind of afraid actually.
They're not real.
Yeah.
They're not real.
Okay.
They're artificial.
Listening to the music and joining like the fan base or something.
Yeah. They have a lot of fan base, and sometimes from each fan base they're gonna hate each other or something like that.
Yes.
How
I-
could people hate each other just
Yeah.
because they're idol?
Yeah, that's so true. That's happening right now. I mean, like when their idol actually they're chill.
Get along with each other.
Get along with each other, but their fan base is kind of like hate each other. How could that even happen?
I think
Is
it's
that
because,
serious?
Because like they feel their idols is only theirs.
They feel
Jadi-
like they're owning the idol.
Yes. Jadi kayak satu fanbase sama fanbase lain tuh kayak hating each
Yeah.
other karena
Hmm.
ya orang ini idol gue, emang lu ngapain?
Iya, oh, iya,
ngurusin
bener banget
ngurusin
sih.
gitu.
Gak usah ngatur-ngatur deh.
Even in the
Nice.
same fan base, the fans are arguing with each other gitu loh.
Oh, even with the same fan base,
Yeah.
I never view something like that. I never saw it.
Sometimes like a fan of one idol gitu kayak idol A, they're hating the fans of idol B because they think that idol B are more successful than idol A.
I got it. I got it.
Can I say
got it.
something
The
more
bias,
philosophical
yeah.
about this? Can I say
Okay.
something more
Yeah, yeah.
philosophical about this? Sometimes in this world, some nation want to be, like superior
Oh,
than
okay,
other,
okay.
and that's why South Korea want to sell us, to send us their idol system
Okay.
to be such kind of more to be like religion, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even they could force people to hate each other. Wow, that's such.
So
Yeah.
impactful sih sebenarnya.
That's so impactful. I mean, the way someone idolizing another people, it's so beyond our imagination. I could say beyond our imagination.
Just like religion.
Yeah, like someone can do a lot of things for that person who they never met.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mereka tuh belum pernah ketemu tapi dia udah ngelakuin effort yang
Yeah.
sekian luar biasanya gitu loh.
It feels like per social relationship with
Yeah.
the idols.
Even they spend money more
Ah,
for
yeah.
their idols
Money.
than their
Yeah,
self.
yeah. Even for their self, yeah, I agree with that. Like sometimes to bought album, you not only bought one. Sometimes you
Yeah.
bought until 10 or even
Yeah.
20 to got what are you gonna call this?
Get the
Photo
poster,
card.
the
Photo
card,
card.
photo card.
Oh my god.
Wow.
They even like have like their own war
Yeah.
to get that specific photo card.
It costs like until 10,000.
Mhm.
Yet, I don't know.
That's how
I don't
religion
get it.
way.
How
Wow.
a photo card
Yeah,
that
yeah.
expensive, you know.
It's just
1 million, 2 million
foto
just
card
for a
doang
selfie.
gitu loh.
It's just a piece of plastic with a photo on it.
Yeah.
I mean, bisa jutaan itu buat apa? Ngeprint sendiri lah.
Gonna say a question, but you don't need to answer it. How if all the idol are AI?
Actually, one of the group are already an AI.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a fake idol.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like an AI idol, but some real people become their voice, kayak ngedubbing suara mereka.
Cuma
Wow.
jadi base-nya, tapi mereka tuh AI gitu.
Iya.
In the first, I thought it will be a joke, but it's gonna be real.
It's kind of real.
It's real.
Let the joke become real.
Yeah. Come on.
Something
man.
you thought
Okay.
will never be real. It's
yeah.
real.
It's real. It's amazing.
Oh, it's scary.
Okay, since you like K-pop, in the name of K-pop, what you already did the most? Kayak hal paling luar biasa apa yang sudah kamu lakukan untuk nama K-pop gitu? Apakah kamu pernah menanam HP dan laptopmu untuk streaming MV 24 jam non-stop kayak gitu? Bener.
Aku pernah sih tapi sih.
You know,
Tapi itu bukan MV, lebih ke kayak waktu itu apa ya, Kingdom.
Oh, oke.
Kayak-
acara survival.
Survival
Oh,
show
ah.
antar idols gitu.
Oh,
Terus
I watch it until
Aku-
episode 2 or even 3.
Ya, aku tuh kayak support one of the idols dan karena penilaiannya itu juga diambil dari streaming kan.
Oke.
And then I stream the video almost every day, every night I watch it non-stop.
In the
till-
whole week.
Yes. Until my laptop it was like about to explode.
Yeah.
That's the craziest thing.
Talking about the survival show, I also made like several accounts to
You made several accounts.
Yeah.
You made several accounts just
Yeah.
to
I was like-
vote them.
More
Yeah.
10 or more, I think. Just to vote.
I mean, I do vote for like I remember like about Produce 38 or something like that. Yeah, it's become Ice One
Yeah.
now. Right now, I also vote for one of the contestant, and I only use my and only one account. I'm not planning
into
to
that
to do like I made a multiple account just to vote her or something like that. Okay, I have one account. I'm just ya kalau dia menang syukur, kalau enggak ya udahlah udah kebantu ini. But you guys made a multiple account
Yeah.
just for that.
Yeah.
Have you also asked your friends to did the same things like, kamu punya akun ini nggak? Mau vote nggak?
I don't get it. Just go on.
Joki vote tahu.
Iya,
Oh, joki vote, bayangin.
Oh
Kayak
my
beli
God.
vote gitu.
Iya, kalau nggak tuh ini polling di Twitter kan, misal idol ini, terus nanti yang menang bakal dapat 1000 vote dari akun itu gitu. So it's that serious.
I never
you know?
know that. Oh, that's also happened in social media like Twitter.
Yeah, if you dig deeply.
Especially Twitter.
Yeah,
I never dig that deep. Sorry.
I don't think it's a new culture. It's a magic, you know.
I mean,
It's a witchery.
I mean, we not did all of that thing for our religion. We never made a multiple account to stream tausiah or
that's
something
it.
like that. We never did that. I dare you. You never did that, right? To your
Yeah, we-
religion. I mean, like,
To share some ayah.
yeah, to share some ayah, I made a multiple account.
Oh my God.
I think it's become more than religion.
But the K-pop do great. Congratulations.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. But let's go back to boycotting.
Yeah.
Are you what you did about the boycott? Apa yang kamu lakukan soal idol-idol ini di boycott? Apakah kamu juga mensupportnya, mengurangi penggunaan produknya, or the things like that?
For me lately, I'm not hyping K-pop again
Okay.
since like 1 or 2 years.
Mhm.
So I'm fine with, just do your thing.
Okay.
Boycott it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're feeling fine. How about you?
I do unfollow all of the idols that I follow in my account.
Oh,
And I didn't
Wow.
really follow the K-pop again.
oh, that's pretty huge.
Nice.
Like the comparison is a bit contrast from making multiple account to unfollowing
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
It's kayak kontras sekali ya.
Dan itu pun kayak terjadinya bener-bener tiba-tiba gitu loh.
Ah
Kayak
ya.
baru banget tahun kemarin,
Mm.
2 tahun yang lalu kayaknya aku melakukan membuat 10 akun itu.
Oh, it's not really long time ago.
Ya, terus tiba-tiba aku unfollow semua akunnya gitu.
You never imagine you would do
Like-
things gitu kan.
Like the first
Yeah.
time you try to start to unfollowing them, start to avoiding about the things like K-pop, it's are you feel like heavy, feel hard to doing it, or just do it right away?
Yeah, we're just doing it right away because kita lebih ke fokusnya ke what happened in
Okay.
Palestine, right?
Mhm.
We're not focusing on what happened in our life
Okay.
without them.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
I mean, I'm still fine without
Yeah.
liking K-pop and
Yeah.
something like that. Okay. Wow, tapi berarti kecintaan orang-orang bisa berubah sedrastis itu
Iya.
ya?
Just because the religion.
Yeah.
That's a good thing
Wow.
actually.
This is how to fight a religion. Yeah, you use another religion, right? I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that.
But that's right.
I'm not gonna say that. But
That
it's
happened.
about faith, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, like, look at them now. A lot of
Yeah.
people try to hate them with all of the reason, even though it's
Yeah.
not their fault.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not their fault. It's just like their agency
Yeah.
collaborating with
Yeah.
some brand which is that brand. It support Israel and something like that.
Yeah.
It's not their fault. It's not the
Yeah.
idol
It's
fault.
not the idol.
We couldn't blame anyone, you
Yeah.
know. Even I found something from the internet that they live like they don't live like normal people.
Yeah.
They're product, like what I said.
Yeah, their project.
They're product.
It's actually really sad to think.
Yeah. I mean, like,
so sad about.
like what I said before, we have our own preference. Some
Yeah.
people prefer to like this kind of product. Some people love product who come from another country. Some
Yeah.
people love product who made their own. Kayak mereka lebih suka produk lokal.
Their
ada yang
own need, right.
ada yang memang kebutuhannya
Nah, that's
mungkin in the name of they try to learning maybe Korean language, they try
yeah.
to adapt it in Korean culture, something like that.
Yeah.
Tergantung kebutuhannya sih.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried to learn a Korean language until that far?
No.
안녕하세요.
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 But I like Korean movie.
Oh yeah,
series
yeah.
Yeah.
and so on.
I love Korean movie too. I watch a lot of thriller movies from.
Yeah, they're the
Like
best.
Train to Busan, you know.
Ah, Train to Busan.
Yeah.
I watched
Yeah.
that one.
I really like Korean movie.
Parasite.
Yeah,
Parasite.
Yeah.
Parasite.
Parasite. something.
Exhuma.
Kingdom. What's it?
Kingdom is also about a zombie, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it. I like it.
Kingdom is also
That's
talking
cool.
about.
Cool movie. Cool movie. Also, Asin from the North. You know, I forgot. Asin of the North, right? Asin.
Actually, it's I think the prequel about Kingdom.
That's it.
Yeah, if I'm
the
not
girl,
wrong.
the feminine girl.
You're
I mean,
familiar
like,
with
No.
The Spy Goes to North, but I don't know.
but you have to watch the Kingdom and its sequel.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool. You need to watch it if you like Train to Busan.
Yeah.
It's just zombiness with a kind of like traditional culture.
Yeah.
So dark
So dark. I can even watch it.
and gory.
Oke, dari yang tadi K-pop, now let's talk about something else, more local Indonesia. What's happening in Indonesia right now? I think some of us already curious about Indonesian. Kayak tadi kan udah bahas entertainment di Korea nih.
Yeah, of
Sekarang
course.
let's talk about entertainment in Indonesia.
If someone gathered together, like gathering in one place, we should talking about horror, like the paranormal activity, right?
Somehow
What?
it's become more cold. I feel goosebumps.
Yeah, it's a new studio, you know.
It's a new studio.
Oh my god.
Aslinya kecilin apa? Oke.
Lampunya mati mas.
Jangan. Tapi ada apa nih entertainment di Indonesia yang lagi rame ini di generasi kalian apa ini?
Let's talking about paranormal activity, please.
Okay, you really want to talk about it?
Yes, of course.
Since him already won't talk about it so badly.
That's the most favorite topics between babak-babak, you know.
Oh yeah, betul. This is the spotlight of today's event.
Let's talk about what?
Wait, you want to talk about paranormal activity, right?
Yes, of course. Like I said, it's the most favorite topic in babak-babak's jokes, you know. Like
Yeah,
in my age, everyone talking about paranormal activity, you know.
maybe because you're experienced about it a lot.
Oh.
Yeah. But
Time seven tuh.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Takut sekali. Mending disukain manusia aja kan sih.
Jangan dong.
Agak serem juga ya. Kalau disukain sama makhluk halus gitu ya. Aduh agak takut deh. Dan ada yang suka sama saya makhluk halus.
lampunya mati lagi, Mas.
Kalau bisa bantuin kerjaan malah enak.
Oke.
Sometimes it helps.
Really?
Sometimes, yeah. It keep the bad guys away.
Really?
Bad guys.
Yeah.
Bad guys.
Sometimes when I was in our school, and then come on, man, don't move from me. Come on. I'm not gonna tell you anything.
I'm kind of like already afraid
Our
of the
school.
studio.
No. Everyone's gonna hate me about this. No.
Okay, but maybe before I go to the entertain, have you ever felt like some paranormal activity in your life? Maybe since you guys are younger than me, a lot of younger than me.
I just experienced it once.
Once.
In my life.
Okay, is it so bad or
No,
just
it's
like
just like saw something like
Just-
moving so
just
fast.
slightly,
Yeah.
very little, something like that?
Just something like that. It's not really something that horror.
It's
and-
not traumatized, something
Yeah.
like that. No, it's
It's
just like okay, I saw you, you saw me.
Yeah.
Now move on. I saw you, you saw me. Let's move on. How about you? Have you ever experienced something like?
The most traumatic paranormal activity I've experienced is when I was when I was a kid. So I was hanging out with my friends and her brothers, and we went like ke kebon-kebon gitulah.
Oh,
Ya, kebon
kayak ngapain main ke kebun juga?
kid, you know. And then since they're guy, they like to play like something dangerous. They
Oh,
tend
okay,
to play
okay,
more
okay.
dangerously, and they play beling gitu loh.
Oh, okay.
They throw beling to each other and then they hurt each other. So they ask for permission to me and my friends who are still kid, kayak kita mau cuci tangan dulu ya gitu. Terus mereka pergi tuh, mereka
God.
pergi, and me and my friends wait for them there in the kebun-kebun itu, just two of us, kayak nggak ada orang lain, diem, terus nyariin deh lama-lama dipanggil tuh namanya mas gitu. Terus but they're not coming,
Oh, they're not coming.
Yeah, they're not coming. And then suddenly we heard suara kuntilanak. Oh my god, it's so traumatic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you heard like kuntilanak voice so loud.
Suara. Yeah, it's so loud even though we're on a open space, tapi itu suaranya kayak menggema gitu loh.
Oh,
and we try to run away, but our feet feel so hurt gitu loh, kayak
Okay.
there's something narik kita gitu. Yeah.
Okay.
You must be tired that time.
Yeah.
You must
I
be
don't
tired.
know.
Okay. It's not only you who listen to that voice. Your friends also.
Yes, and then we finally can be home. Terus ternyata masnya udah di rumah gitu.
Oh my god.
Where were you guys? We search for you guys, but we don't see you gitu loh, kayak lah kita yang nungguin kalian di situ.
Oh, so
gitu loh,
you guys
ya.
waiting
No,
each
we don't-
other?
Yeah, we don't saw each other, kayak ya udahlah nggak usah main ke situ lagi.
Ya iya, nggak usah. Ngapain lagi ke kebun?
I thought I was the one who experienced it, tapi ternyata temen aku juga ngerasain.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You must be tired because just because tired. It
my
came
God.
from tiring, no?
Oh yeah. Sometimes it's happen when you're not in the most kayak lagi nggak dalam kondisi prima
Yeah.
gitu kan.
When you fear too much or you scared something, they may appear.
I'm not tired. I feel brave right now. I'm confident with myself.
Digajiin dulu.
So please don't show me every little movement or anything. Kayak jadi ketar-ketir ya aku ya. Okay. Let's talk about maybe what kind of movie that you watch lately. Maybe the last movie that you saw.
Missing Home.
I don't even know about what kind of movie.
Film Indonesia itu kan pakai
What kind of movie?
yang cerita tentang Batak itu loh, orang Batak.
I don't know. So how about you?
Missing
What is the last movie that you
The
saw?
last movie that I watched is Furiosa.
I don't even know what that movie. Sorry.
I even know it because my friends.
It's
asked
Indonesian
me to-
movie,
No,
Korean,
it's
and
not.
Western,
It's like Hollywood.
or Hollywood.
Because my friends asked me to watch it with them, and I like, film apa nih? They asked me to watch the sequel,
Okay.
but I did not watch it. The prequel, it's actually like itu filmnya sebelum film Furiosa
Oh,
keluar,
okay,
tapi
okay.
ceritanya sequelnya.
Oh, okay.
So, I didn't watch it, and when I watched the Furiosa film, I like
You don't understand that thing.
apa ini? Ini siapa? I ask a lot of questions to them, like
Okay.
ini siapa? Ini ceritanya ngapain? Oh ini gini.
Okay. So what the genre?
Action,
Action. Ooh.
fantasy.
An action fantasy.
Yeah.
How about you, Miss? Maybe since you're older than us, we're kind of like curious about your preference movie.
I like
Older
movie.
people
I like thriller
What an
movie.
older people watch. I agree with
Yeah.
her.
Ternyata filmnya yang barusan tuh judulnya Ngeri-ngeri Sedap.
Oh, I think I ever heard that kind of title.
Heartwarming banget, nangis aku.
I watch every single zombie movie.
Oh, so everything about a zombie, you
Yeah,
like
I
it.
like it.
Walking Dead.
Thriller movie.
Yeah, The Walking Dead.
The Walking Dead have a lot of series, right?
Series,
Yeah.
It's already like 8, 12 season.
8 season. I don't know, but The Walking Dead is sometimes it now it's like tersanjung for me. You know tersanjung.
I don't even know that.
Tersanjung is a kind of sinetron in Indonesia that it has so
I'm
many sequel
sorry.
because there are so many people watching it.
Tukang bubur
So
naik
many
haji.
people-
Tukang bubur naik haji.
In our generation, it's gonna be like tukang bubur naik
That's it,
haji.
tukang bubur naik haji. You know, because many people like it, and then they made it all the time.
Oh,
Ngejar demand ya.
in our generation, tukang bubur naik haji is gonna be like thousands episode, right?
It's
Yeah.
still ongoing or not? No.
Really? No, I don't think they're still. It's
I
gonna be
don't
like
even know.
crazy. Makanya agak preference beda kayak tersanjung tuh kayak nggak nempel di otak ya.
Apa itu tersanjung?
Apa itu tersanjung ya?
Can I say something more wise about zombies?
Oh, apa?
Wow, yeah, so good.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm a teacher right now.
Okay, let's learn something about zombie.
Okay, let's talking about more philosophically about zombie. Zombie actually is not
A
die
ghost.
die person who came alive.
Oh, okay.
It actually what it's us. Zombie is us. Why? Because we are so many people are acting like they already dead.
Oh.
Yeah.
Their life outside, but they die inside.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh my god.
Like-
Oh my god.
So deep,
Oh
guys.
my God.
Seriously.
Oh my god.
Like you don't care about people. It's like zombie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like you are care your phone that much, without realize any people around. It's just like a zombie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
That's how zombie. And also the vampire. Vampire is also a symbol of human government who corrupt government. It's
Oh.
symbolizing as a vampire because they suck the blood.
I see. Because they
That's-
suck the
Okay.
blood. So
Okay.
it's like a metaphor.
Metaphor what it's
government.
just symbolizing about
Oh, that's so deep.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm just gonna say like, I
Yeah.
die when she left me. Now I'm just try to enjoy my life.
Yeah.
I'm not living anymore.
Yeah.
Feeling numb.
Feeling numb.
Sometimes the movie has its own meaning,
Oh yeah.
It's metaphor for something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's not okay if you say something like, you, the government, blah, blah, blah. And then they try to tell the story about the vampire. And also the zombie. It's a fail of our society,
Mm-hmm.
because people tend to be more selfish right now.
Yeah, I do agree with
Yeah.
that. People
That's
are
it.
more selfish right now.
If you are selfish enough, so you are a zombie. That's only my opinion, right?
Am I zombie?
No.
I'm questioning myself right now.
Because you don't care about anyone, you don't care about anything. It's like dead people now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe I'm just dinosaurs. Just go anywhere and row. Okay, since we're talking about the movie and we're talking about the FOMO, is there any efek kayak misalnya selera film kalian juga terpengaruhi dengan apa yang lagi hype belakang ini enggak?
Enggak sih.
No.
Kalau
For
aku
me,
lebih
no.
ke di kayak temenku lagi ngajak film ini, terus aku jadi kayak, oh aku juga cari film yang genrenya ini juga.
Oke.
Vina.
Wah ya,
Aku tidak into dengan film horror.
horror. There's a lot of conspiration.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it's
Theory.
based on true story. Right?
Yeah, if you look on the credit title, they're playing the original sound of when
Seriously?
when
Kind of
some
controversial.
of the friends, some of people are getting kayak kerasukan gitu,
Possessed.
Yes.
possessed
Uh-huh.
from a Phoenix ghost, something like
Wow.
that. Even though I'm not even watch it right now, because
Me too.
all of my friends are refused to watch it, so nonton sendiri kan agak takut ya. Ya kan, jadi nunggu temen tapi nggak ada yang mau, ya udahlah ya.
The best way to watch a movie by yourself alone is on Netflix.
Because they're an advertise on it sometimes.
Not fully
Not full
horror.
horror gitu ya. Tapi for me maybe our taste of a movie not fully terefek gara-gara FOMO. Tapi cuman mungkin kalau ada film-film yang lagi hype kita jadi curious
Iya.
gitu kan.
Iya.
Jadi dia hype gara-gara apa sih
Iya,
gitu kan.
Jadi kayak kepo, ini sih apa sih?
kok orang-orang pada suka banget like I do remember like Dilan,
ya.
KKN di Desa Penari.
Ya.
Yeah, oh my God.
Aku inget dulu itu harus booking 1 minggu sebelumnya kalau mau nonton itu.
For real, but itu juga filmnya nggak kayak
Yeah, it is not kayak overhyped, overrated.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay.
soap opera, seriously,
Yeah.
because the existence of astral, or what we say, a ghost, the
Ghost.
monster, too intense. Like, come on, man, you need to be show up only for 2 or 3 seconds. That's okay,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
they show up all the
Jadi
time.
nggak
They-
nambah
yeah.
ya.
And sometimes the thing that make them more scary is because the sound.
Ya.
The sound it's so much kayak like it's so loud and it's so shocking.
That's it. I'll tell you something about this. Every single of horror movie from US start from they have how to say, but infrasonic sound.
Oh,
But we
okay.
couldn't hear it,
Mhm.
but it provide a feeling of anxiety to make you anxiety and you care more about the movie. That's the truth.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what-
yeah.
I understand
Horror
what you
movie
mean.
are more scary sebenarnya daripada Indonesia.
That's
Padahal
it.
mereka nggak ada hantunya.
Yes.
Karena mereka mainnya
Just because the sound.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sound.
It makes us uncomfort.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like,
Ah,
yeah.
yeah.
Psychological things.
Psychological things.
Psychological things. Iya, banyak juga ya. Bikin film horor apa?
Pernah
The
loh,
sound.
my sisters, they have like one film project.
Oh, oke.
They made one horror film,
Oh.
and one of their friends were possessed
Oh my god, no.
No.
in the set.
Oh,
And-
that's so crazy.
Itu benar-benar yang kayak cuma tiba-tiba banget mereka lagi shoot, dia jadi hantunya kan, terus malah tiba-tiba dia kayak suaranya beda gitu, terus kayak
Wow.
Some people believe it's an act.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm not gonna say all the time. Sometimes some possess is just a fake.
yes.
Yeah. I do ever feel experience one of fake possess when I'm still in the college in the fresh year.
College?
College
Oh my God.
in the fresh year. Like we do some kind of like ospec. Ospec. Karena ospeknya kan berlarut-larut ya, kayak
Yes.
from dusk till down, kayak bener-bener dari subuh setengah 6 sampai sunset jam 6 itu kan it's so exhausted,
Yeah.
kayak it drain our energy.
Yes.
that's
Dan
true.
kadang kalau udah di jam-jam krusial kayak jam 5 itu kan attention kita udah nggak full
Yeah.
kan, so they make a false possess to make us more focused, kayak lebih aware about our surrounding.
Oh my
And
God.
I know it after I'm entering my third semester. So I met with
1 year.
a year after that. Terus aku ketemu sama orang-orang yang ngurusin ospek gitu. So I asked them like, is it real about the possess? It happened last year. No, it's just so fake to make you guys kayak balik berenergi lagi, kayak lebih fokus. Itu kan kalau gitu kan udah nggak dengerin, udah lemas, udah loyalty. Kalau lihat tadi yang kesurupan kan
Aware.
lebih aware, lebih kayak merasa, wah,
Oh my
aku
God.
harus menjaga diri nih, gitu.
But
Harus
that's a
fokus.
good way to catch our focus back again, right?
We can find another way.
Yeah,
Not that one.
right.
We can find another way. Not that one. Because I'm afraid sometimes when they think it's joking, it's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kayak takutnya itu bercanda tapi
Yeah.
beneran kerasukan kan malah jadi nggak ditolongin ya. Jadi bisa dengan cara lain. We can do another way gitu. Udah nggak kalian kayak experience like a possess? Not you, maybe see someone got possessed or maybe experience it in another way.
Yeah.
Just
One time
One
when
time.
I was training a competition in Semarang, I think, and we all sleep in an asrama gitu kan.
Oh, kayak
And-
dorm gitu ya?
Yeah,
Dorm.
dorm. And then someone from another room, exactly like the room beside my room,
Oh my God.
tiba-tiba
Iya, oh my God.
lagi ngaji tiba-tiba.
Ih, mana lagi ngaji dulu lagi. Kayak kesan horornya memperkuat lagi ya. Wow.
Everyone cannot sleep that night. Beneran kayak, oh my god, what if my turn is next gitu loh kayak.
But the dorm it's kayak mendukung nggak, kayak dormnya emang
Yes,
creepy gitu, atau
Sangat
sebenarnya dormnya
hutan
fine.
gitu.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
hutan.
oh, nice. It's a contest.
Yeah.
A contest. Okay, that's a nice strategy to distract
To di-
other. Distracting
That one
other.
can be true.
That's it.
That one
That's
can be
the
true.
strategy. No, I don't think that's true because that's a strategy.
Yeah, bener. It's a strategy from another school.
That's it.
They're from another school. Oh
I
my
Yeah,
like.
it's from another school. I like this conspiracy.
I like
More
this
I think about
conspiracy.
it. I
Conspiracy.
think it's just a distraction.
It's a strategy.
Okay, that's a strategy.
Wait.
You can use that kind of strategy
Okay,
next.
let's use that strategy next time.
That's amazing. But I just warn you, if you want to use that strategy, just be careful. I'm afraid it's gonna be real.
Pretend to possess and I pretend to be the, the witch. Like someone. What's the English word for dukun? Salmon.
Salmon.
Yeah.
Smart people.
Paranormal.
Someone expert in that. It's so interesting because there's a lot of possibility about
Yeah.
some paranormal activity.
But I believe that was strategy.
Wait.
Iya kan, kayak terlalu terlalu banyak hal kemungkinannya nggak sih paranormal, entah itu beneran real terjadi atau mungkin kita aja yang salah lihat atau mungkin emang itu beneran
Sugesti.
terjadi, tapi kadang kan there are some case that which is it's really happening but we don't even believe it.
Yeah.
Kayak paling angin, paling siapa yang lewat,
Ignoring.
Denial gitu.
kayak denial.
Denial.
Ya itu tuh juga bisa terjadi loh sebenarnya, kayak banyak hal, banyak possibility-nya gitu sebenarnya. Dan kalau ngomongin hal-hal paranormal kan balik lagi kayak ke perspektif masing-masing ya.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, kayak some of us gonna believe it, some of us gonna like no, this is just you're being hallucination or it's just in your mind, something like that.
But I believe that the astral projection sometimes came from a memory of energy.
Yeah.
Seriously, if you are so tired, it's easier for them to show up on your mind, not your eyes, but your brain. They came to your brain. That's why we never found pocong in Europe, right?
Ya benar, benar. It's something that affect our mind, right?
That's it.
Something that we think it's gonna be scary, something
That's it.
negative. It's happen in front of us. Kayak ya di luar negeri mana ada pocong kan,
Iya,
bener kan? Di luar negeri adanya Falak, gitu kan, Annabelle, gitu kan? Iya. Di Indonesia mana ada Falak, Annabelle, itu nggak ada. Adanya
Mentok-mentok
pocong.
pocong.
Betul. Suara kuntilanak di kebun. Karena itu mungkin ngambil energi dan juga memori kita tentang hal-hal yang
Yeah,
membuat
it's all
kita
about
takut.
memory, that's
gitu kan. Oh. Wow, so interesting. But unfortunately we're running out of time. It's already 13.58. Jadi kita harus mengakhiri percakapan kita pada siang hari ini. But before we end our conversation, maybe for the last things, let me ask you about how to avoid it become FOMO. Kayak menurut perspektif kalian, mungkin biar nggak FOMO amat atau bisa memilih FOMO yang tepat, itu tips and tricks dari kalian gimana nih secara personal aja, silakan nih.
Reduce using social media kayaknya.
Iya.
Oh, you're just using social media.
Karena kayak FOMO lebih ke kita yang disetir sama sosial media. Jadi kayak kita batasin aja deh
Oke.
sosial medianya. Kalau nggak ya bijaklah pakainya.
Oke. How about you? To avoiding FOMO, something like that?
Actually, that's what social media wants from you.
Yeah. It's what social media for.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the purpose of social media to make you feels like not enough with something that you already have. So you always want to more and even
Yes.
more, because in the social media you always look someone who better than us. Kayak
Yeah.
kalau kita lihat sosial media kayaknya semua orang kayak lebih baik
Yeah.
kan.
Comparing.
Fake, right?
Comparing. Yeah. Yeah, it's so amazing talking about fear of missing out. Thank you so much for all of you who already come to Radio Pesona.
Yeah.
Semoga tidak kapok datang ke sini.
Gila.
Ditunggu lagi kedatangan selanjutnya, dan terima kasih buat Pesona Inspire yang sudah meninggalkan selama 2 jam di mana kita udah ngomongin FOMO. Jangan lupa habis ini masih ada banyak program dari Radio Pesona, jadi stay tune aja di 92,1 FM. So, I'm Iqbal Santosa.
I'm Karissa Faustin Elinoha.
I am Viva.
Arvin Setiawan.
Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.